Hello, my darlings, and welcome to my Sigil Magic series. Each month, I create a magic sigil for the community for you to use in your spell work and to manifest what you want in life. The intention for the magic sigil in this video is I live life without fear. I am healing from the past. Let's do some magical crafting. I'm using a worksheet I designed to create this sigil. If you'd like to download any or all of my sigil making worksheets, please visit Magical Crafting on Patreon at the link below the video. In Chaos Magic, a magic sigil is a symbolic representation of an intention. Sigil magic is based on the principle that the subconscious mind is more receptive to symbols than to direct commands or wishes. Symbols can bypass the critical faculties of the conscious mind and directly influence the subconscious. By condensing desires or intentions into a sigil, the intention is communicated more effectively with the subconscious, increasing the likelihood of manifesting the desire. The process begins by clearly defining your intention or desire. This could be anything from achieving a personal goal to influencing a specific outcome. I start with my magical intention, and I write this out as a positive phrase with a single clear intention that represents my true will. My intention sentence is I live life without fear. I am healing from the past. Now that my intention is distilled into a simple statement or phrase, I create a magic symbol or sigil to represent it. To do this, I remove all vowels from the intention statement, leaving only consonants. Consonants are the manifesting sounds, and if a consonant is repeated, I use it only one time. I am left with LVW, THF, RMN, GPS. Next, I create a sigil using all of these letters. To start, I use the H sideways. I add the M on top and the W on the bottom. I add the N in the center sideways again. I'm adding the R and the P in the center, which also creates the G shape. Then I add the curves from the S on the top and bottom. Then I'm adding the T and L on each side evenly, and the V on top. Once I've worked out the general shapes, I refine it into a more organic sigil. I usually like to try a few refinements to get a final outcome that I'm really happy with. You do not have to settle for your first result unless you like it on the first try. As I work, I put my energy and will into the creation of the sigil. I concentrate on the intention as I create it, entering a focused and meditative state of consciousness, repeating the intention sentence as a mantra. I live life without fear. I am healing from the past. I live life without fear. I am healing from the past. I took the final result and scanned it into Photoshop, and I recreated it as a digital artwork. which I placed on a colorful background inside of a circle. And here's the final sigil printed out onto a heat transferable vinyl sheet, which I cut out and ironed on to a muslin drawstring bag. I create sigil spell bags for my Sigil Spell Bag tier patrons every month. Sigil Spell Bag patrons receive a monthly pen pal card with a note from me and a new Sigil Spell Bag tucked inside their card each month. If you would like to become a Sigil Spell Bag patron, head over to my Patreon at the link in the description below and choose the Sigil Spell Bag tier. This sigil is meant to be shared. Feel free to use it in any magical workings that you do related to power, courage, or healing. You can fill your spell bag with anything you like: herbs, taglocks, petitions, crystals, and more. What you choose for your spell bag will be personal to you and the magical intent you're making it for.